Wishing you all a very happy 79th India's Independence Day. Today I'll be sharing riddles with you and I'll share a fun fact after each one. So are you ready? Let's get started. So the first one is, I have three colors, but I'm not a rainbow. I have a wheel, but I'm not a bicycle. Who am I? I am the Indian national flag, that is also known as Tiranga. Now the fact is, the Indian flag's three colors stand for courage, peace, and prosperity. Now the second is, I am a 10-letter word that means love for one's country. What am I? Patriotism. Now the fact is, patriotism comes from the Latin word patria, meaning fatherland. Now the third riddle is, I am celebrated on 15th August every year. I start with I and end with E. What am I? Oh, it's so easy. Independence. Now the third fact is, India became independent from British rule in 1947. Now the fourth question is, I have 24 spokes, but I never move. What am I? It's Ashoka Chakra. Now the fact is, the 24 spokes represent the 24 hours of the day and the wheel of law. Now the fifth one is, people call me Bapu. Who am I? Very good. It's Mahatma Gandhi. Now the fact related to him is, Gandhiji led the non-violent movement against the British rule. Now the sixth riddle is, I was the first Prime Minister of India. Who am I? Can you guess? Great! It's Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru. Now the fact is, Nehruji gave the famous Tryst with Destiny speech on the eve of Independence Day. Now seventh one is, I am a place in Delhi where the Prime Minister hoists the flag. What am I? Red Fort. Now the fact is, the first flag hoisting at the Red Fort happened on 15th August 1947. Now eighth one is, I am the song sung on Independence Day. Who am I? Jan Gan Man. Now the fact is, our national anthem was first sung in 1911 at the Indian National Congress session. Ninth is, I am a famous woman freedom fighter, also known as the Queen of Jhansi. Who am I? Wonderful! Rani Lakshmibai. Now the fact is, Rani Lakshmibai fought bravely against the British in 1857 and became a symbol of courage. Thank you for celebrating Independence Day with us. Jai Hind!